this is Sam Create the Heart, and I'm back with a haul from Tuesday morning. So I'm trying to be a little bit more, I don't know what the right word is, intentional with what I buy there. Really thinking about like what I'm going to be using it for, whether I really like it or not. And so I did break down and get this, even though this is probably the one I probably didn't need so much. But I just love that bee paper. I don't know if you can see it because of the glare, but there's this really cute bee paper. And this is a Pebbles 12 by 12 paper pad, $6.99, normally $19.99. And the number for this is 2099332. And it's single-sided, but it has all these spring colors. Just some fun pieces. And I love those umbrellas. And anyway, very Eastery, which I thought was really cute. So I did break down and get that one. I did get this Happy Easter. I don't think I have any really. I might have, I'll have to look, maybe one Echo Park Easter. I know I've got the Bo Bunny one I had gotten. So I really do need to work on a few things for Easter. I don't do a ton of stuff, but I usually do like tags and things like that. But anyway, this is a Happy Easter kit, $5.99, 2055951. And one of the things I really love is the sticker sheet's really cute. So I did get that one. And then I did get this, which is the city maps, because I thought that these maps would look so cool and fun. Couple sheets of it in any of the junk journals that I make, my little fake junk journals that I make. I say fake because I don't like dye paper usually or anything like that. They literally are papers I have lying around that I kind of put together and make into a junk journal. And then I just use them to journal for the month, and I put pictures and stuff in them. And so this one has some glitter papers and just some fun kind of maps. And so I got it for that reason. And it was a good price. It was only $4.99. And the number for this is 2099322. So I just, I love that. I'm off for spring break this week, and I'm really hoping that I have time to craft because I've been so busy with baseball. Then my daughter has 2 dance competitions in a row, 2 weekends in a row. So super busy. If you follow me on Instagram, I've been posting a lot of that because that's kind of been my life. I did buy some 6x6 papers because I really liked them. I really loved this one. This is Splendor by My Mind's Eye. And I just love the colors. And the colors are reminiscent to me of a Maggie Holmes. So I just really liked that. And this is 2074168 And I did find the Gal Meets Glam, so I went ahead and picked it up because this one's really fun. And it's just red and gold and black and just kind of classic. 2074165 So I did get those 2. And I do apologize for the glare. I think it might be that one. I did get this one right here. I don't have a lot of things in purple. And this is 2065193 $2.99. It's Bo Bunny, and it's called Secret Garden. And other paper, I did pick up another Bloom for $2.99. 2068389. And for those who don't know, you can find Bloom in the 12 by 12 as well as a 6 by 6 at Joann's. They do have it there. And if you use a 60% off coupon, you actually could beat this price. So keep that in mind. I did pick up another carousel because I think I still have carousel left. 2068393. It's $2.99. So I did find that one. And then I found these flowers. I thought they would go really nicely with this collection right here, or with any of the Easter stuff. And so these are the Petaloo flowers. And, basically you can kind of do these up. You could put like a little gem in the middle, and you could put your own like leaves. And so you can do some things to kind of jazz these. You can layer them. So kind of fun. These are daisies, burlap daisies, and they were $1.99, 2027733. So that was kind of fun. I did buy another, I don't think I have this one. I actually really like this one. I might keep this one. Because a lot of the other ones, stamps by her, I'm probably not going to use, I'll be honest, because they're just not the style of stamp that I like. Because I'm a big stamper, I own a lot of stamps, so I kind of know what I like. Like, I like this one because this one looks like an open swan, so I could stamp this and this on pattern paper and cut it out. It'd be really cute. So I kind of like this one a lot. And this one is 2068483 I haven't seen anybody have this one yet. I'm sure they have, but I didn't know the name of it. It says Swan. So this one in particular, I really, really like. And then the last couple things I got, which I discovered that I already had these envelopes because I was going to try and make some number 10 cards because I've seen a lot of people doing that. But this is just some craft envelopes for $1.99, 1962783. I also thought about folding these in half, just doing some things, some different projects, using envelopes, and these were just a funky size I thought was kind of cool. And then the last thing that I got, and this is one of the things that I kind of put back, and I went, why not? I'll just get them for $1.99. These are Heidi Swap ephemera, and it's 2093129. And of course, there's a lot of acetate. But I really liked the tropical feel of this. I think it goes with her tropical paper, which I did see there. I opted not to get it because, you know, I don't know. I prefer, to be honest, double-sided paper. And a lot of these paper pads are all single-sided. So I just prefer it because it's just easier to work with. But I like the tags, and I do like the tropical feel and some of the sayings in it. So I went ahead and got that because I thought, you know, for summer it'd be really, really cute. So anyway, that is my Tuesday morning haul. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Crane with a Heart.